doing, Brandon?
Sound checking. Sound checking. You have that input list? There's? It's on my phone. So the board needs to look like this? Yeah, we'll change it over there. I know it's a kick drum, so I know the low end's gonna be in there. So I'm opening it up so that I can hear it. So that way, whenever I do, it does go down to EQing and stuff. You have everything instead of like, if it's like this, you're like, why does it sound like that? And you don't even realize it. Like, oh shit, it's because the EQ's wrong. So before every sound check, like I just kind of go through each of them. Snare, you probably be like right there. It'll probably be around like this way up, and then you can kind of adjust from there. Hi-hat, like I said, taking out the harshness, but you want the brass. You don't want, because right now if I lift like that, you'll pick up the snare and everything.
Alright, go back over there real quick.
Wait, what? Oh, 4.
Side stage top back is on 15.
Snare.
15.
You gotta make sure you turn that off. It's not. I'm not getting the kick in. It's like kind of dead, but I don't know.
You got XLR over here, please?
I got one in back.
Yeah, we can get one real quick.
Come on.
Can you patch in that, what you call it? What? Patch in the house back so we can talk to each other? Because I can't hear you. It's already in.
XLR.
Oh, what is this? I'll let you know I didn't put that up. All my cables look like this.
Alright.
What do we think?
It's almost game time.
XOXO.
I hate this guy. I'm just kidding.
We figure out what's going on.
Okay. Alright. If you really wanted to, you could clear up all of our talkbacks and put them on the other stage box. Yeah, because then we can just reroute it. It's up to you. I don't know. This is the compressor. See how I made it quiet?
Check, hey, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, bam, 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 check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hey, hey.
Yeah, I think I just want you right here though. Alright, not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna save it. See, like before I touch anything, I muted everything.
Just leave everything the way it is.
Left
and save it.
Yeah, and you need to save it because then if you go and mess with it, you're gonna be like, what
And
the
then when
fuck
you
did I do?
save it to a new file, so what do you?
What you got? Yes, yeah, try it real quick. Rock shit.
I'll have a changeover for after upscale. I'll run changeover on our side, run right into that, and I'll have exit as well. So.
Another day at the beautiful Twisted J.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's so good. I forgot what they call it, but I just got it. Kind of getting used to it. You want me to send it to you?
Yeah, you can airdrop it maybe.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, thank you, man.
Smoking Oaks, we appreciate you. You got real tails.
Yo. Yes, put that on 20. Yep. Yep.
Alright, let's do stage left vocals.
Come around here no more. Tired of waiting
Pretty freaking good, I guess. Yeah. So now, like we said, we were gonna do. Thoughts on tonight?
We'll see how it goes.
Smoking Oaks. Smoking some oaks.
Smoking the oak.
But I think it like crashes, so let's go back old school, you know, hit the console buttons.
Oh well.
Oh, you've been behind the camera on me this whole time, bro? My dome probably looks massive. You're like right up. I'm like,
What are we doing?
we're getting. Brandon has I keep calling it an engagement thing. He's got a gender reveal tomorrow. We're getting blue balloons. I actually have no idea. I don't know.
Blue balloons. Oh shit.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down.
I don't know. Is this enough?
Yeah, it'll be
Just
fine.
one of these?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's all. I was just making sure.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. Oh, I'm floating.
Dude. Boosh.
I'm gonna crash out.
Special delivery. You. Special delivery. Pick some of the blow out.
Got that bottle.
Oh shit. Okay. Cool.
I appreciate it. You bet. What are we thinking? I don't know. What time's Charlton game over, you know?
They're on the third.